Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and it is a Tuesday, so you regulars know what that means. There is a 50-50 chance that you're going to get free stuff from Epic Games today, and good luck, you did. You're getting 3 free assets from the Fab Marketplace, and we're going to check those out in action right now. So if you don't know how this works, basically Epic Games gives away free stuff. Now they do it every other week. They used to do it once a month. It's 3 free assets. They are yours to keep forever if purchased before 2 Tuesdays from now, basically. So we're looking at one of them right now. This is the Sci-Fi Jungle Biome. This actually is using PCG, or Procedural Content Generation. This ultimately means that you're going to need Unreal Engine 5.3 or newer to use this one. But the cool thing is you can actually get these exported out. I will show you that in just a minute. But this one, again, it's a mix of like a sci-fi alien environment and a jungle environment, and all of the stuff you need to put these together. So let's go take a look at the overview map for this one. And you can see here all of the various different bits and bobs that were used to create the level you just saw. Pretty straightforward. So you've got things like vines and trees and rocks and flora and fauna for, again, this alien style of environment. Now, you can also see in just a second, in here, we're using the Unreal to Godot plugin. There are other ways to do this, but I have a link of articles down below. We'll show you how to get these exported out. But you can see these have been exported using the Unreal to Godot plugin, and you can just basically use them as prefabs in your own scene. It is a real cool tool, but there are other ways to get these assets out. So even if you are not using Unreal Engine right now, you should be grabbing these fab giveaways. Although one of the assets this month is actually available for the Unity game engine as well. But check those guides out, link down below. I'll show you how to get things out to Unreal, Unity, Godot, and so on. I'll even show you in a minute how to get things out like without using any kind of plugin or tool at all. It's really quite simple. So again, this is the Sci-Fi Jungle Biome. 2 words that you don't generally use together, but a pretty nice package on the whole. So now let's jump on and take a look at the next one here. And this one is wood. It's all about the wood. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the wrong map here. So let's open that one up. And no, here we go. Right map this time. So you see here, it's a collection of wooden things. Pretty straightforward. So if you need to create like a harbor or a dock or bridging or like a swamp with a raised area, it's a very versatile pack, very straightforward pack. So basically, you've got a bunch of platforms. You've got other wood items in here like barrels and so on. Everything is available as prefabs, literally just drop into your world as you need them. You've got some fencing and so on. Again, a super straightforward pack, but should be pretty versatile, versatile, and also a realistic style, so it should fit into many game art styles. So even if you're doing something medieval or fantasy or so on, it should work for you. So you can see over here, you can also get things out. Just basically go on in, find an asset, like here, static mesh, and all you do is right-click it, and then you just go to Asset Actions, Export. And you can get it out that way as well. So you don't need to use the Godot plugin or anything like that, but the Godot plugin definitely does make things easier. All right, so next one, we're going to check out the final asset. So this one is available for both Unreal Engine and Unity directly from the Fab Store, and it is an elf. And here I am loading the wrong scene, so let's try that all again and load the right scene this time. Here you go. So this is an elf, and this elf is named Arden. And one thing you're going to notice about Arden, at least in my humble opinion, Arden looks a lot, and I mean a lot, like a Skarsgård. Definitely in the Skarsgård adjacent family, in my opinion. So, yeah, that is Arden the Elf. Let me know if you agree that he looks a little Skarsgårdy. So you can see this one has a variety of animations attached. So jumps and punches and so on. Also has a sword, as you can see, drawing the sword, sheathing the sword, that kind of stuff. So if you need to have an elf-style character, slightly stylized, I would say, that is exactly what this pack is all about. Again, this one is available for both the Unity game engine and the Unreal Engine directly from the Fab Store. So here we go. Quick overview of all the assets we looked at. The first one we've got here, the Sci-Fi Jungle Biome. Again, sci-fi and jungle are not often words you use together, I guess, other than when you were talking about the movie Predator. Again, you can see here there are 2 licensed versions. There's the personal version and the professional version. These are mostly important if you're buying it yourself, because if you make less money, you can buy the personal version. Since they're being given away for you for free from Epic Games, just go ahead and pick the pro version. It can add it to your library and be useful regardless to if your financial circumstances change down the road. But they do give you both. They should be showing as $0 for you when this goes live. And again, you do have the 2 weeks to pick this up. Again, a reminder though, This particular pack does require Unreal Engine 5.3 or higher for the Nanite, Lumen, and PCG support, but it's a pretty enough looking pack. And then we've got, again, the Wooden Props Environment pack. This one is, again, ultra super straightforward. It's also like a $20 asset. It's, again, if you're making a dock or a swamp or an environment, you do have 4K textures. It is in a realistic style, so if you need to create a harbor front or that, you're good to go. And then finally, we have the elf named Arden, who is Arden Skarsgård, I'm going to say. This is available for both Unity and Unreal Engine, so when you log into Fab, once you own it, you can actually download it directly here, I believe as a Unity package is how it comes down if you are using Unity. And of course, you can grab it from the Epic's Games Launcher if you are using Unreal Engine. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is this month's or this week's or second week's free stuff. So let me know again, do you like the bi-weekly or did you like monthly better? And what do you think of this month's free content? Let me know. Comments down below. Talk to you all later. Goodbye.